Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I've decided to go basic in the nail art realm and kind of just really make the polishes the star of the show, because I feel like sometimes we just want to use a really pretty polish but also have art but not like overcomplicated. So I'm going to show you how to create this really easy Dotticure. First up, I'm going to take my main like art nail and I'm gonna put a light pink on it. I'm using the Heroine NYC Sugar Spun. Definitely hands down one of my favorite pastel pink creams. It has a fabulous formula and I can't say enough good things about it. It is just amazing. And then next up, we're going to be using a new Moonshine Mani polish for the dots, and I'm using about a medium-sized dotting tool to do this, and the polish is called I Dare You to Not Like Me. This is a new one that is in my other video that released today, and so you can go check that out there if you want. But it is just such a stunning pink polish, and I thought it would be like a great Dotticure polish. So as you can see here, I started by doing my dots down the center of my nail, and then I offset them in each row, going from side to side. So I think that makes sense. Really easy. One thing that I have found, if you are doing dots with nail polish, the more that you have nail polish out on some sort of palette that you are dipping your dotting tool into, the stickier it gets. So whenever you put your dot down, you definitely want to pull directly up so you don't get any like strings of polish going onto your regular base. After all of that, you then just put on your top coat and you are done. As you can see here, I painted the sparkly polish on my ring finger, then I put one dot on the other two fingers just to bring it all together, and this just makes for a super easy, quick Valentine's-like manicure that really does not have to be Valentine's. You can wear it all year, any season, and in any color combination. I just personally really enjoyed this, and I hope you guys did too. Super quick and easy, I think. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you have any specific Valentine's requests, let me know. I hope to get in some more detailed looks next week. This week has just been kind of hectic, so we are trying to put those in the plans for next week. And I think that is it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow.